Hey everyone! Today, we'll show off the Google Ads app, which allows you to easily launch search campaigns and collect valuable data and insights through your monday.com account. Let's dive into it. Here at monday.com, we're launching a new product, and we want to run an impactful search campaign around it. Using the Google Ads app, we'll launch the campaign directly from monday.com and instantly pull in data to analyze results and optimize its performance. Let's kick things off by installing the Google Ads management template as a new board. Each Google Ads template can pull in campaign data from one Google Ads account. Here, items represent separate campaigns. Groups refer to a campaign status. Columns are set to display data points for each campaign, and sub-items will show the ad groups used for a campaign and its data. Let's click into a campaign to see where the real magic happens. In the item view, you'll find the main hub of the Google Ads app, ready for you to connect to your account. Within a few moments, you'll notice your campaign data syncing directly into your board as new items. Great, we've got all our past and current work showing, but what about launching our new campaign right here from Monday? Easy. We'll begin by adding a new item and clicking into the Google Ads app. Keeping in mind that only search campaigns can be generated, we'll first define the main objective and settings of the campaign, and then set a budget and bidding strategy. Next, we'll set up ad groups and define relevant keywords. From there, finalizing the ad is as simple as can be. We'll link to a Monday form, add headlines and descriptions, and we're done. We're ready to go live.
Woo!
As the campaign is running, its data will automatically flow into the board for us to track and analyze. Here, we can get a customizable interactive graph showing the performance of our campaign, and we can choose the time frame and metrics you want to see according to your own needs. Okay, analyzing data from one campaign is great and all, but what about a high-level view of our entire account's performance? In the Account tab, you'll get the full picture of data from all your campaigns in one place. Cool, right? Not only this, but the Campaign Overview tab provides us with an in-depth dashboard of all of our campaigns. And it can easily be sent out via a link. Now, sharing your progress with stakeholders has never been easier. Eager to learn more? Click into the Learning Center here to explore all you need to know about the Google Ads app and using monday.com to manage your marketing processes. And even share your feedback with us on this app. We'd certainly love to hear from you. And that's it. With the Google Ads app, easily launch, track, and analyze ad campaigns all from monday.com. Bye for now.